Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to my channel. Before I start today's tutorial, I'd like to say so sorry for the delay uploading this video. I've been having so many workshops in overseas, so I could not upload tutorial recently. I'm just here to shoot this video in Korea. To check my schedule and my recent work, please visit my Instagram and Facebook. Today, I'm gonna show you how to make the Ranunculus using the Glossy Butter Cream. Actually, I already uploaded these flowers a couple of years ago, but I'd like to show you more detailed and developed expression about it. I hope you guys love it. Then, let's get started. This flower is so lovely, isn't it? I always read your comments, so please just leave your comment down below if you want to see any flowers on my channel. Thank you for watching today's tutorial. See you again. Bye!